I'm going to show you how to make coconut macaroons. You will need 150 grams of desiccated coconut, 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 egg whites, 100 grams of dark chocolate, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Firstly, you just want to separate your eggs, just making sure that you only have the whites. Keep the egg yolks, you can use them for a different recipe, but we won't be using them in this recipe. Then to your egg whites add your sugar and whisk for 2 minutes until it's really light and all of the sugar has dissolved. Then add your vanilla and your desiccated coconut, and then just give this a stir to combine. Then just pop this mixture to one side. You want to leave it for about 10 minutes to allow it to settle. And then, having pre-prepared a baking tray with some baking paper over the top, just take a teaspoon, take a scoop, and then roll a ball of your coconut mixture, and then just pop that onto the tray. They will expand slightly, so just make sure you leave a little bit of a gap in between. And then pop this in a preheated oven at gas mark 3.5, 170 degrees centigrade, or 150 fan assisted, for 15 to 20 minutes until the tops are golden. Then allow to cool. Once cooled, you then want to melt your chocolate. I just do this in the microwave for 30-second blasts until it is melted, but you can do this over a heat-proof bowl over a pan of water. Then simply dip the bottoms of your macaroons into the chocolate, so the flat side, and then just pop them back on the tray. And then if you have any chocolate left at the end, you can use this to drizzle over the top. Then pop it in the fridge for half an hour to allow it to set. And there you have it. That's how you make coconut macaroons.